What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the new Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. So let's begin with the video now. Welcome to Search Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified when we release a new video. And there's going to be useful links below in the description covering everything that we discuss in this video. With that being said, let's get right into it. This video will be divided in 4 sections. First, we will unbox the Galaxy A13. Then we are going to talk about the specs, the key features, and lastly, if you should buy it. Alright, so here we have the box of our Galaxy A13 5G. So if we take a look at this box, right here we're going to have a bunch of details, but first on the front we're going to have the picture of the product itself. If we take a look on the side, we're going to have the Galaxy A13 5G, and then right here on the back of the box we're going to have some of the specifications of this product. So now let's take a look at how it would be for us to open up this box right here. Now that we have the box open, the first thing we're going to take off is this white box that we can see it probably has some instructions or even maybe the charging cable. So let's open this up so we can take a look at it. So here we have the charging cable, as we can tell, and inside the box I think there's something else. If we take a look at it, it's just some warnings and also the terms and conditions of our phone. So let's put this aside and take a look at the phone itself. So now we can tell that it does have a nice finish, a nice touch to it, but before I open the phone I need to take a look at this, and this is the SIM ejector tool in order to put in our SIM card. So now let's take the plastic off the phone. And right here we have it. So let's start with the specs of the phone. So now let's talk about the specs. This phone is built with the glass front, as you can tell. It also has a plastic back and a plastic frame. It does uses a nano SIM card, and its display is 90Hz with a screen size of 6.5 inches and a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It does have a memory card slot, and the internal memory is of 64 GB with 4 GB of RAM. The main camera has 3 lenses, the first one being a 50 megapixel 26mm wide lens, one 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth lens, and shoots videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The selfie camera is 5 megapixels and records videos with 1080p at 30 frames per second. The battery is made of lithium polymer and it works at 5000 mAh, and it's also non-removable. It has fast charging of 15 watts and it comes with 2 colors. You're gonna have the black and then you're gonna have the green. The price is of $250 or basically $249.99. If we talk about the key features, this one will include a long-lasting battery, and this means that you're gonna redefine the rise and shine with a long-lasting battery that will keep you ready for what comes your way throughout your day, all while enjoying your entertainment every step of the way. And if you don't have time to waste, or maybe your battery just died, the fast charging will do just that. It works at 15 watts like I just mentioned. This phone also has a 5G performance, and you can also say goodbye to buffering and hello to a fast downloading and smooth streaming, because this is outfitted with a fast and reliable processor. The Galaxy A13 5G will give you a virtually lag-free 5G experience. You're also going to have the expandable storage. Like I said, you can enter a memory card, and then the expandable storage of the Galaxy A13 helps you make the most out of a trip down memory lane. It does come loaded with 64 gigs of internal memory with room for up to 1 terabyte when you add a micro SD card. So you can savor each smile, cherish every vacation, and remember all the memories you have captured on your phone. It also has a versatile camera experience, and that way you can get comfortable being your group's go-to, maybe the one-person camera crew, because it does have the triple lens camera system. You've got the shot every time, whether you're snapping cityscapes, maybe landscapes, or family moments. This will be a great thing for your phone. Now to the last question. If you ask me if you should buy it or is it worth buying it, I will say that for $249 it is a reliable device with good performance. It has a healthy battery life and a decent camera as well. None of this comes as a surprise because Samsung makes a lot of these kinds of phones, and it's something the company is very good at. The Galaxy A13 5G is a fine budget device that makes sense for those who are more concerned with day-to-day performance and long battery life than a high quality screen or maybe a versatile camera. If you're on a strict budget and you're an AT&T customer, those are two more reasons to consider the A13. The carrier's C-band 5G is limited to just a few markets right now, but the phone will be supported with 3 years of security updates and 2 years of OS upgrades, which is long enough to see the network expand to more major cities. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.